Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. Okay, we have the PackTalk Edge and the Sena SF4, which is the same as the SFR. Let's go ahead and turn on the PackTalk. And we'll turn on the SF4. Now, the PackTalk is in DMC intercom mode, so we want to get over to Bluetooth intercom mode. And we'll put it into normal intercom pairing. On the SF4, press and hold the center button for its native intercom pairing. And then just tap it one more time, and we wait for these to pair. Great, the pairing was made, and these two are talking with each other. Now, I can close the intercom channel on the Cardo side, tap the intercom button once, intercom is closed. I can open it from the Sena side. Intercom is open, we can tell by the double blue flashing. I can close it from the Sena side. And of course, I can open it from the Cardo side. And that's it, these two intercoms are paired together. We know that that's been one of the most requested features. And to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements. So keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet. And know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.